Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your location to the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this more button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then scroll down and click on Settings. Then tap on My Locations in the middle of the screen. Here you can set your primary location at the top, so tap onto this box and then type in your location. And here you can also add your talk location, so type it in, hit Done, and then your locations will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.